Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting indefinite integral, right? The integral of e raised to the power of square root of x plus 1 dx. So let's get started. Let's call this integral I, and we're going to start with the following nice substitution. So we're going to let the square root of x plus 1 equals t. Now square both sides, we see that x plus 1 is going to be equal to t squared. Differentiate both sides. Here we're going to have dx. This is going to be equal to 2t dt. So therefore our integral I in terms of t is going to be the integral. This is going to be e raised to the power of t. Then dx is equal to 2t dt, which is equal to 2 integral of t times e raised to the power of t dt. Okay, that's cool. Now we're going to make use of integration by parts in tabular form, which we call the DI method. So we're going to use the DI method. So this is how it works. Okay, this is differentiation side and this is integration sides. And make sure that the function you are putting at the differentiation side is not a stubborn function, just like e raised to the power of t, because when you put that there, when you keep differentiating it, it can't give you 0. It will only remain like this. So it's a very stubborn guy. We don't put it at that left-hand side. So the function we put at the differentiation side is the function that when we keep differentiating it, we must end up getting 0, okay? And don't forget that this is plus, this is minus, and this is plus. Then we put the t right over here, and integration side, we're going to have the e raised to the power of t. Now, let's go. Now, the first derivative of t here with respect to t is giving us 1. And here the integral of e to the power of t with respect to t is giving us just e to the power of t, a very stubborn guy. And here the derivative of a constant is 0. So you see what I mean? We end up getting 0. And here this is still going to give us e to the power of t. Then this is how it works. This multiplied by this. You get the idea? Okay, sorry for that. So let me put it well. And I think I'm going to change my pen color. So here, this multiplied by this. I think that makes sense. And this one multiplied by this. Okay. So our I is going to be equal to, remember we have 2. Then let's put in bracket. Then this is positive right over here, right? So everything, the product is going to be positive. So it will be t times e raised to the power of t. This is negative here, right? So it follows that we're going to have negative. Then 1 times e to the power of t is giving us e to the power of t. Don't forget to put our constant of integration. Open the bracket with the 2, we get 2t e to the power of t minus 2e raised to the power of t, and then plus c. Don't forget that the square root of x plus 1 is equal to t, right? Then we replace, and boom, we have our solution, right? So we say that I, which is equal to the integral of e raised to the power of the square root of x plus 1 dx, that this is going to be equal to 2 square root of x plus 1 times e raised to the power of square root of x plus 1, right? Then minus 2e raised to the power of the square root of x plus 1, and then plus c. So this right over here is our solution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.